What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Out here with my boys in blue, just on the way home from the skate park. Actually got pulled over, and yeah, it's like literally a 5-minute drive, not even. My house is just around the corner. I'm sure this will be the start of another defect video. Unfortunately, still had my quick release and stuff on, but yeah, makes for more content. So yeah, let's get into it. Fix these defects.
Okay. Yeah, alright. Yeah, it's alright. Look at that.
Oh, the exhaust. Okay.
So that's about, I reckon you're at about 70 mil.
Yeah, okay.
If I kept going over under the exhaust further along, mate, I probably wouldn't hit that as well.
Yeah, okay.
Do you agree with that? You understand if that's too low?
No, that's acceptable.
Yeah. Wow. What's going on with your wheels, mate? How are they looking, do you reckon?
They're a bit odd because I'm waiting for the lips.
A bit odd.
Like mismatch.
Wow. He's got no H pattern on his gear stick either. Modified gear stick.
Did you still require the H pattern?
Yeah.
So.
I reckon he'd be here a week.
Yeah, no, that's not what I want.
No. Queensland Transport will be here for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
How long is the note page?
Alright, so the boys are done. How's this guy? This guy just freaking rear-ended the fuck out of old mate though. He was just like having a sticky beak, seeing what was going on here. Now he's gonna go deal with that accident. What's going on, guys? We made it home. I got my defects. Jung's out here now, doing a little service on his car. So Junga wants to get ready for Matsuri. Me, Lee and Jung are going to try and make it out to Matsuri this year. It's not for a while, a few months away, so got a bit of prep time, but just been hit with a fine. It's about $350, 3 points. So I got a few things to fix with my car. I'm going to do the slave cylinder and maybe the master in my clutch before I end up doing that, and a few little other things, but I'll go over that later. Jung's just got a service. He also went to Fabworks today, got a quote for a new manifold, and he's gonna get his diff shimmed. What else?
90 band, just tidy up really.
Just tidy up.
And I gotta get coilovers.
Weld that. He's getting new coilovers, MCA, I think. That's gonna be fresh. So he'll be ready. Lee's been working hard on his car. I'm gonna go over his place soon, get an update. Oof, look at that fitment. Got the wheels painted recently, pretty fresh. My car, a few little things. Oh, actually I got the fine, they text messaged it to me. One fine for drive light vehicle with ground clearance less than allowed, and then another fine for drive park vehicle if parts equipment not in safe condition. Now I think it's in pretty safe condition. I mean, it's probably safer than most cars out there, but you know, got to play by the rules, I guess. I'm gonna get rid of the quick release because that's one thing they brought up. They've done that a few times now, so I'm just gonna fuck that off for good because yeah, that's annoying. I did get done for bald tires, so I don't know if you can see. Bit of camber wear. So, like I said, I think in an old video, I'm going to get the 33 wheels. 33 wheels here. So I'm going to get rid of the spacers on the rear. New tyres on the 33 wheels, and that should make it look a bit tidier as well. 2 of the same colour wheels. I'm going to finish this oil change, and then I'm going to get into some of my defects, try and fix them up. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so I made it back home. Got some fresh tread on the R33 wheels. Just some cheapies, they're like $100 each or something. Should get me out of trouble. Now I'm going to start with the quick release. For those who don't know what a quick release is, you obviously haven't watched my last video. This is what a quick release is. Voila. So you're not allowed quick releases in Australia, unfortunately. I don't know why. I guess if you get like a dodgy cheap eBay one, it can be unsafe, but I mean, I had a Sparko one, so it's a pretty good brand, but yeah, still not legal. So I'm gonna start by taking that off. I'm gonna keep the Grip Royale this time. Last time, I'm pretty sure I just put the other wheel on just because I was gonna put the quick release back on, but I think I'm gonna keep the quick release off for good for a while, just, I don't know, till I get some more points back. Yeah, Padarico is on his way over. He's gonna help me get the spacers off. He's also just got his brakes fixed or something, got new calipers, rotors and stuff, so that should look pretty fresh. Let's go ahead and get these Allen keys off for the quick release. Alright, so once the Allen keys are out, pretty sure it just, there's one more. Alright, I did disconnect my horn to run the quick release, so I should be able to run the horn normal. I was running it like this. You literally turn this thing and it would beep. So now I just got to take the other side off there. Also the Thrash Racing, the guys who do the zebra seats, this one that I've got here, they've invoiced me for the second seat, so I should be able to have that soon. Well, I haven't paid it yet though, so shout out to Thrash Racing. Right, so that's that. There's the Grip Royale wheel, and there's the quick release. I think I'm going to get another Grip Royale wheel soon, maybe like a leather one. This one's done me well. It's like a couple years old maybe now, and still going strong. So if anyone wants to buy a quick release, let me know in the comments. She's mint, I think. Get you a defect or two. So, I hope you liked my still camera skills. Now, do we need this or not? I don't know. Kind of looks cool. I don't want to use it if I don't need it though. You're probably sick of me doing up Allen keys. I'm just going to skip to when we're done that, and you'll see the wheel on permanently, no quick release anymore. Police will be happy. I'll have to change my modified gear stick too. Actually, likewise, the guys who sell the gear knobs, they also sell like a sticker you can buy. That used to be black also, believe it or not. So did that. I might get a new one soon, or not. I don't know. Still got the other one inside with the spike and the extension, but I thought this one would keep the cops happy, but that's the first time I've been mentioned about the H pattern. A few people have told me actually that law didn't exist anymore, which is why I asked him, but he wasn't happy. He said it was a defect. So let's go. Time to put this thing and that on that. So yeah, let's get it done. Come to the conclusion that I need me a Ooga Dooga ASAP, especially with these long ass wheel studs. It takes ages. Oops. Oh no, spacey boy. These wheel spacers are illegal. Sure. Off with the spacer. Now these wheels aren't in the best condition. They are actually just skid wheels, got them fairly cheap. Everyone on the camera, y'all didn't see that. Right as the Patman arrives. Ooh. Hello.
Nice hat.
Thanks, man. Nice car.
No worries, nice drink.
Oh, hello.
Hey.
Cheers.
How are we?
Pretty good.
Seen a pretty cool 180 before.
Oh yeah, was it that one?
It was like a same color as your wheels.
The bronze.
Yeah, and then
Oh,
like
nice. Turns out I didn't need you.
That's alright.
Realised because it was on the rears, I could just put it into gear. Because on the fronts I needed like the brake, but we all good. It's just because I had bald tyres. They're not even that bald, dude. Got defected for this.
Telling me he's fucking dreaming.
Bit of camberware. Never heard anyone. That's fucking horse shit.
Except just fucking rock it.
Time to lower this sucker. Not bad. Could have gone a bit outwards on the fitment, but trying to keep the boys happy, you know. That ought to do it. Jesus. Could fit a fucking bus in there. The wheel poke's fixed. The tyre tread's fixed. Quick release is fixed. I need a H pattern on me fucking modified gear stick. And the height. We'll deal with that another day. This would be a solution to my defect right here. Look at that. That's what I need. For everyone asking about the seats on the last video, they were like, what about the seats and harnesses. They're actually mod plated. Got the paperwork and the mod plate in the engine bay, so they don't really ask any questions after you show them that. But they do look around for like other things. So yeah, we're almost good. Got a few more days or whatever before I have to, I don't even think I have to take the car in, so I'll update you guys when that's done. Yeah. Alrighty guys, we made it out here to Vale. Got a bit of a squad popping, tunes cranking. Did you bring your bike?
I got a bit of flu, mate.
Oh, that's right.
Doctor said I can't ride.
Too sick.
Yeah.
Want a clip, mate?
Yeah.
Oh, fresh lid.
Fresh lid.
What do you guys think of the new hat?
Not bad. Not bad. Definitely not loose. What do you want?
I don't know, but we're on the Sigma. She's looking good.
Hello, Sigma. Do that little something like nose pressing on the block.
Woo! Oh, that was beautiful. Oh, iPhone. Vale's popping.
Yeah, good. It's been going on.
Same old.
Is that the new fish?
This is the new.
Oh, see that? That was a power move.
Yeah. Hey mate.
Dude.
Oh yeah. Same Joby.
Same but different.
Do you want to know what he did?
What?
Oh, it's actually, nah.
Come on.
What's your Instagram, dude?
Huh?
Just in here.
Spread the goss.
Banana boat. 30 plus. I'm going home. I'll be back.
Nah,
What?
miles
Already?
9 and another trip.
9 flip. Ah, Willie.
What the fuck?
Oh, did you see that?
Whoa!
That was sick.
Yeah, the girls.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, but.
Vibes. Hey mate. Hey. Welcome. Boys.
Oh, yeah.
Good afternoon. Woo! Bloody one banger. Too easy. Oh, backed him up.
Wild baby.
Too easy, mate. Oh! Ooh. Wrap. Oh, the bounce. Oh, wait a minute. Woo! Woo!
The chicken split!
Woo! Where's he going?
I don't know where I'm going, but I can't.
Woo!
Later, G.
There it is. Oh, he's off.
I'm going.
I'll catch you later.
Bar hurt me.
Oh no, that was sick though.
Later.
Oh! See you next time. Like and subscribe.
I'm going home. Take my pads off.
Pussy. What's good?
What's happening?
Where's your Sylvia?
Ah,
See the gap there? Yeah. There's no gap on that side. Because when he landed on it, just fucking savage.
Unlucky, eh? That's a snap.
Yeah, just tried to bang him in. Should move the spindle out.
Everything's rusted and fucked out.
Paint job though.
Yeah, we're a bit rough on the gear and columns out. I don't know how the sunset should be. A nosy 5 on the
Around the mellow.
mellow beast.
Gotcha.
Nosy? That thing.
Pop out.
Yeah.
Alright.
In a minute.
Been a minute. Woo! Oh, almost got the one busy on that bad boy. That was sick.
Thanks.
3 lash.
And then like just disaster, 180 bar, disaster, 180.
Alright. Too easy.
You got this.
Ow!
Holy fucking zoom in, here you go. We run the streets.
Got the down for out and then up for in.
Oh, that. Alright. This looks like so good.
Crisp.
Yeah. What about the can jam? Like, grab the seat, push it out. Alright, coming over. Hey! Hey!
Jack's gonna finish it off right now.
Here it is. Oh, he's supposed to... Yeah! Yeah, boy. Oh, focus on the fuck. Damn.
I'm gonna head home now.
Yeah.
Fix the rest of my defects. Probably won't bring you to the cop station because I don't have to go there. Stoked.
Hey.
Just have to sign a little thing and send her off. So I will rise the height. Wait. I will raise the height till the 100 mil. He probably won't show you guys because it's pretty ugly. I'll let you guys know how I go with the defects. See you guys at home.
Bye.
I think this will pretty much finish off the video. Hello. What is it, boys? What is it? Hey. Shout out to the guys at Likewise for making some sick shit. This is the true meaning of the purchase though. Actually wanted to just get a sticker and then I saw this online. I was like, damn, I got to cop that. Actually just got home from work and this was in the mail, so I'm pretty stoked. It's Friday. How dope's that? Very cool packaging too, not gonna lie. It's like the same boxes as an iPhone. Let's go put it on, eh? Yep. Hey, that looks sick. Now I just gotta slap the H pattern somewhere. Keep the coppers happy. Probably just put it where Paddy had it before. What do you guys think of that new gear knob? Pretty hyped on it. Voila! Look at that, boys. No more defects, yo. New knob. Old one. I've actually got an extension as well. I might see what it looks like. I'll just put it up a little bit, make it a little bit steez. So that's pretty much going to wrap up the video. We got all the defects cleared. I do need to raise it still and sign off on the form and send it off, but other than that, it's pretty much cleared. I'm hoping they have no more problems with it. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you smash like, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.